I made a mistake and I will make sure to explain this to you that you wouldn't make on your own. It is about the dropper, L-frame Scott Spark size, the biggest you can get into the frame. So I actually forgot to put this in. This is my 100mm Kashima, which I've been using for quite some time already. It has almost 2 years. I serviced it only once, but I didn't have new kit at that time, so I just re-greased it, and basically it wasn't done properly recently. Well, because I just failed with my dropper. I had to service this, I bought the kit, maintain it, and well, we will see how long it will hold. At the time when I was ordering, there was no 100mm one available, 31.6 diameter, so I decided to try 125 because, well, maybe it would be cool to have that extra length in the travel of the dropper. So I bought 125, considering that I'm using up to a specific letter. This is crucial. Somewhat near the N, basically around 1mm below the letter N on 100mm transfer. We have an insert of 16 centimeters. Very roughly, it's somewhere here, so let's call it around my sticker. And we have until my assumed bolt point on the frame, which is pretty much more or less around 10 centimeters of additional length to put into the frame, which sounds good on paper only. This is my surprise. First thing which came to me, this is like significantly longer. It is about almost 7 centimeters longer. So what that actually means. In order for me to get the same out distance, so I will measure it just from the top of the dropper top, around 21 centimeter to be up. That puts us into the position where I measure it from this 1 centimeter would be up to letter A at the top. If this is becoming already confusing, bear with me because I will explain everything in a minute. In my ideal scenario, that would be insert point, which is 23 centimeters into the frame. What it gives us. I'm measuring from the top, 23 centimeters would be somewhere up to letter F in my sticker. Actually, the sticker now plays as a measurement quite well. We have the bolt exactly at this part. My assumption, in the worst possible case, I might be even able to add 150mm travel dropper into this frame. Wrong. It turned out that the longest insert point into the frame is until the bottom of letter A in this case. So that means we have 22 centimeters at the most, which we can insert. I needed almost 1.5 centimeters longer insert point in order that it would fit me. That leads me to a conclusion that if you have Fox Transfer 100mm, that means that you should have at least to the bottom of S. Well, actually, to be safe, your current height of the insert point should be up to the top of the letter F in order for you to actually make sure that 125 would fit in L-sized frame, which is a bummer. Now probably you're wondering why so, what is the reason? But apparently inside the frame there are plates a bit up. So basically somewhere here there are plates in the seat tube, which basically stops any insert below that line. Well, to be honest, I don't know why. There are still no elements there. The shock is a bit down anyways. Maybe it was just a structural element in order to make frame more rigid. I don't know, but that was annoying mistake. I could have tried to look that information online myself. Maybe it's available, maybe not. Out of my mind, just I didn't expect that that could happen. So first is that these are that big of a difference. At first I even thought that maybe they added me 150mm, but basically we are here. They're pretty much aligned. Well, I could have removed the saddle, but I'm already preparing it to insert into the bike. If we match it this way, we pretty much have the tops equal. Here's that 2.5 centimeters difference, and then that massive huge difference in the length of the drop itself. So I have 125mm Fox Transfer in a original package. If anyone in need of Fox Transfer SL, this is 2025 year, let me know and we can find good deal, well, good price for you. It's not used. It was only unsuccessfully tried to fit in and nothing else. Let me just push it. Actually, the weight difference is around 60 grams. If you're curious, compared to 100mm on very steep descents, this would have been beneficial to have, but nonetheless, that's what you have to take into account if you want to update your dropper to the longer length. First, the length of the full dropper length will be significantly bigger than what's the difference. So 25mm increase in the travel will result in 7 centimeters longer whole length of the dropper. Now that's one thing. The other is that if you are expecting that the max insert point is at the bolts, which I was expecting, and it's my own fault that I haven't checked. I just somehow imagined that it should be this way. Nonetheless, that's what I have found on my own skin, not in the best way, but maybe it will help you to prevent such mistakes in the future, or you've been planning to upgrade your dropper and was curious whether you could. So be aware that unless you have 100mm and your insert point is no higher than top of the F, 2 centimeters or so. So yeah, pretty much F would be safe. You shouldn't go with 125 inside your L Spark frame, because otherwise you would have spare dropper to sell for someone who has either that insertion point or XL extra large frame. Obviously that applies only for Scott Spark, so if you have our bike, just make sure to measure that, and probably the best way to do it would be just grabbing some seat post, measuring the point until it hits the seat tube somewhere. Be aware it's not necessarily going to be the bottle bolts. We have new sparking coming. I thought that it would be smart to collect some frequently asked questions about this bike, about this frame, and do the last final video about this, which I'm going to provide to you in the near future, probably somewhere in the middle of summer. Last thing is new spark is already revealed. We kind of already know how it will look like, so I will do comparison video between this and updated version. I will give you a different perspective into that, and I think this is going to be interesting. Now, am I going to update this into new spark? Who knows?